Module 8 is about property, plant, and equipment. So, property, plant, and equipment. In this module, we are going to learn three main things. The first one is what comprises the cost of an asset. So what comprises the cost of an asset? The second one is to learn how to prepare a depreciation schedule. How to prepare a depreciation schedule. And we're going to learn it. We're going to learn the three methods. The first one is straight line depreciation. That is the method that you have been using so far in the previous module whenever a depreciation question or entry has come up. The second one is called units of production method. And then the last one is called double declining balance method. And then the last learning objective of this module is to learn what accounting looks like when you have to do an asset disposal. So asset disposal. So when it comes to what comprises the cost of an asset, so you need to remember two things. The first one is the purchase price obviously gets included in the cost of an asset. And then you also include any import duties that you're going to pay and any non-refundable taxes. So if you pay GST, but you're not able to reclaim it from CRA, then that also gets included in the cost of an asset. And then second, any costs that are incurred and that are directly attributable. Attributable also means associated. That are directly attributable to the intent to bring the asset to the condition that was intended by the management. So examples of these directly attributable costs are if you paid delivery costs. You buy an asset from China and then you pay freight on it. That gets included. You get insurance on it. So that normally is the delivery insurance, not the other type of insurance. So for example, again, you've got an asset coming in from China. it's on it's sailing, and then you get insurance that if something goes wrong with the ship, you will get reimbursed for the whatever the purchase cost or some other associated costs. So delivery insurance. Other stuff that gets included could be installation costs that get included. Repair costs, that is a bit tricky. So the repair costs get included if they enhance the life of an asset. If they're just like a normal wear and tear repair expense, that does not get included in the cost of an asset. Additionally, if you have to train your employees to how to use the machine, that also does not get included. It's normally an operating expense. Again, the reason is because that cost is not directly attributed to the to bring the asset to the condition intended by the management. And the training also does not enhance the life or capability of an asset. So that is why that cost does not get included in the cost of an asset. So, for example, you buy an asset and the purchase price that you pay is $10,000, and then you pay delivery cost. Let's say it cost you $500, and then you have insurance costs. So the delivery insurance is, let's say, $50, and then you pay installation costs of $100. Then you paid GST on it, but it is refundable. Paid $30. And then you paid for training. That was $200. So purchase price will get included in the cost of an asset, delivery as well, insurance as well, installation too, but GST, but because this is refundable, that will not get included. And then you got training costs also not included.